In this chapter, we are going to learn how to set up saved reply on Instagram. In earlier chapter, we have already configured FAQs on Instagram, but the limitation is we can have maximum 4 questions. And the practical scenario would be little different because your target audience, your customers can have multiple questions. Maybe they are having 10 things about which they would be asking you very frequently. And every time you need to go to the DM section and write a long message. So to bring in efficiency, Instagram has given a facility of saved reply. This facility is only available to creators and business accounts. So if you are accessing it from your private account, personal account, then this facility would not be available there. So that is advantage with business profile. Now let's see how we can take benefit of this facility. To understand this entire situation, we will require to change this Instagram profile from Strikers to my personal profile and then again to Strikers. So be a little bit attentive over here. So now to configure this, first we'll click on this hamburger menu and then we'll click on settings. From settings, we'll click on business and from here we'll tap on saved reply. As we have yet not configured any saved reply, we'll click on new saved reply and this kind of compose box will appear. Now you need to understand we are going to compose our reply. As we have not written anything about Zumba, and let's say a lot of people are asking me about Zumba classes, in that scenario what answer I would be giving, that answer we have to write over here. So I would say yes, we have Zumba classes in morning. Check out details and then I will add my website link. So my message is ready. Now here is another section which is shortcut and that is optional, but I would recommend you should use it. So I will say Zumba. If you add any kind of space over here, that will not make it valid shortcut. So just be sure that whatever shortcut you are using is without space. So now I will click on save and our first saved reply is ready. Now we'll see how Strikers Fitness can use this message, and for that I need to change this profile to my personal profile and from there I will send a question. We'll change this profile. Now I'm back to my personal profile. You can see over here at right hand side bottom corner my picture is visible, and from that you can figure out this is my personal profile. Now I'm going to send a question. So I will tap on this message and I will write, do you have Zumba classes? And I will tap on send. You can see a person has sent the message to this business account. Now we'll see how Strikers India can reply this question, and for that again we need to change the profile. So we are now back into Strikers Fitness Center and we'll tap on this home icon, and at top right corner we can see messenger icon is seen with one notification. That means there is one message. We'll click this and you can see a question or a message from my personal profile has arrived in primary section. So I will click this. Now right now I'm interacting as Strikers Fitness Center. So I'm going to reply this question, and for that I will click over here. I will tap this plus icon and from there I will select this message icon, and whatever I have kept as saved reply will be visible over here. Had I configured 5 messages, then everything would have been visible over here, but right now we have created only one message. So we'll tap on this and the message will be available in compose box. Now we'll click send, and the message will be delivered. Now if you remember, we had created a short code for this particular message, right? And that was Zumba. So out from this question, I know I have to answer this query with Zumba related information, and for that what I will do, instead of tapping on this plus icon, I will type Zumba because that was my short code. And the moment I type it, the answer is visible over here. I will tap that and the answer will come into compose box. Simply I click on send and message will be delivered. So this way we can use saved reply. Figure out what kind of questions your target audience or customers are asking. Prepare answer for each of those queries and give a short code. Use those short codes and bring in efficiency in communication. So complete this task and see you in next video.